This is Epic Sniper presenting, yeah, Happy Jazz.
Hey guys, my new tank. It's not all new, but it's my newest tier 10 tank, the T110 E4. I really like this tank. So for equipment, I have done everything I can to help the gun, and I really think that's important in this tank because it's not that accurate. So the same here. I've tried to boost my gun, giving me some more crew, some better aim time, etc. And yeah, it gives. So let's try it out. So the armor of this tank is not dependable. The cupola is soft and everyone can shoot through it, and the sides of the turret, actually the front sides of the turret, is also penetratable, and the gun mantle is also weak. So this is not a great armored TD, but it does get some bounces sometimes. Let's see. What? No, move! What the fuck are they doing? Stupid medium tanks. Wow. Well, I guess they want me in front. At least Leo does. So I'm presetting my APCR for if I meet a IS-7. I guess I don't. See if I can get this one with my gun depression. No! Good. See, I'm often willing to trade one shot with the medium because I'm doing twice as much damage as he is. And I can get some lucky bounces. Okay, here we go. Ooh, IS-7. I'm using APCR really to ensure penetration, because sometimes the AP doesn't penetrate IS-7 even though it should. So I know I'm spamming Premo, but hey, I really want the penetration. Well, for being in the front line, I probably couldn't have done more than this. I could have played a bit more defensive, staying back, but we had more mediums, and I believe that we should have been playing more aggressive. They should. Well, we're definitely gonna lose this one. But hey, in random battles it's just hard to win them all. It's so fun in platoons when you get to win like 10 battles in a row, but playing random battles, yeah. Okay, let's do one more. Okay. Since the update and the new map, I'm not quite sure which way I like the best, and there is no consistency in where people are going, so let's just hope that at least we can play as a team here. And IS-7s again, and IS-4, ST-1. Also in this tank, because of the low aim time and bad precision, the APCR is good to ensure penetration, because if you aim for a weak spot, it's not always that you hit it. So it's a very expensive tank for me to drive, but it is super fun. Okay, it looks like he's alone, and they really don't need any help in killing him. So I could set up an ambush. Here I should have hidden my lower front plate, but my turret is still weak. Oh no, our team's pushing on. Okay, so I have to follow. And this is a very bad spot to be. See, now he's definitely gonna shoot me. Whoa, lucky. Okay, let me show you. Without APCR... Oh, forget that. And here, with APCR, I would be able to shoot through his lower front plate. So if he was way back and I could only hit the lower front plate, I could still penetrate him in that angle. Okay, let's see. This is troll armor. I got no gun depression to shoot him from here. Let's see. Nope, still not. Okay, let's hope they move a little. He's still behind the rock. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, someone else must have hit him at the same time, because I'm not doing 1000 damage unless I shoot HE, high explosives. Okay. What? No! No! Come on! Why? Why? No! Oh, this is so stupid. I don't know this map enough. I didn't know there was a rock there. Stupid. Okay. Oh, I can almost turn now. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Oh, this is so stupid. No. Ah! Okay, I'm really stuck here. Oh. God damn it. Okay. So I lose one battle and I make a very stupid mistake in the next battle. This is just going super. Best recording ever. Epic fails. Oh, and my team is just sitting here. Oh, I am actually moving a little bit. Come on. Okay, he's dead. Stupid mistake. Okay, forget about these two battles and let's start over. So this is the T110 E4. And in this setup where they have 2 mediums and we have 3 mediums, I believe that they will go to desert, so we should also. Stick together. I don't even know what language stick is, but I meant let's stick together. And our E100 is on a suicide mission. Okay. Mediums are there. Okay, they're probably staying close to the city. Ah, missed my shot there. No! Ah, I hate these misfirings. I have them so often. Oh, this is so fail. Why? Okay, at least now I have a small chance. No, I don't. I'm dead. Fucking hell. Okay, this is gonna be the crappiest recording I have ever made. But I guess this is a part of playing Blitz for everyone, I hope. Not only me, but yeah. Okay, this is a very bad position because you have no chance to shoot over this ridge, and if you cross you die instantly. This hill can do something but not much. Oh, but IS-8 is taking a massive chance going against E100 and OBJ-268. Wow. Okay, great. And who do we have here? E100, and he's not showing. And now OBJ is dead. Well, at least we win this battle, but it sure as hell wasn't because of me. Come on, finish this. She doesn't even angle. That's actually well played by our OBJ, flanking him, avoiding the shot. Okay, forget about the 3 first battles and let's start over one more time. So this is my new tier 10 tank, my T110E4, and it's a great tank and I win. Okay. This map again. God damn it. Okay. Now someone is making a lot of noise in the background. It's just, as I said earlier, this recording is gonna be the crappiest recording I'm ever gonna make.
Let's get this show on the road.
Okay. Also BJ. Oh, London. Yeah, sure. Okay. And our mediums are just staying back. We should cover that ground down there and I cover the right and it would be very good, but our mediums are staying back. At least we move very slow, so when the others flank, we are in a good position. See? That's what I meant about the AP not penetrating IS-7s. And that's why I shoot a lot of APCR in this tank. Okay. This tank shouldn't be necessary to use APCR on the side, but okay, let's see. Adrenaline, hoping for. Nope, I wasn't fully aimed there and I never hit anything then. Hey, hey. Ja, for satan da. Well, just got some company and it's, yeah, okay. Oh, that was my fault. Okay, and I can't move away from him now. Only wiggle. And with the APs, yeah, okay, on the side it should. What? Oh, it was M103. Oh, he died. Okay. See what I mean about the armor? Even from a distance they can easily penetrate my turret. So don't depend on the armor in this tank. And yes, I didn't play great here at the end. I took too many shots I shouldn't have, so what can you do? At least I get a tune mate now. The London Pfu something. Where is she? Pfu destroyer. Or is it London LNDN? What is this? Well, again, we win, and I did something, but not nearly as much as I would like. We win because of a team effort and not because of me, and I'm always looking for the battles where I get to carry. This is a very angry E100. Perhaps he regrets having a slow E100 instead of a faster tank. Well, what can you do? At least I didn't go in negative because of that mission. So, oh, I forgot. I should tune. What did I say? Yes to? No to? Okay. There we go. Just letting him know that I'm recording. What? Come on. Oh, don't you just love this? And I wonder what's going on now. I'm joining again. Perhaps he started the battle. Yeah. There you go. Two low tier mediums on our side, and they have Leo and T-54. Okay. And the battle has already started. And he's there. Okay, I was just worried he was AFK too. That would be just perfect. Jagdpanzer, E4, M103, T95. I am gonna use APCR in this battle for most of my shots. Not gonna take any chances anymore. I just wanna ensure a win. Don't care about the credits right now. See this turret? So of course when I see a TD tier 10 in this tank, I know he's gonna penetrate me, no matter how good I hide. Oh, he was lucky I didn't do more damage. And now he's waiting for me. Let's see if I can troll him. Yes, I didn't have to aim because of the high explosives, and he did. So behind the rock and gone. Okay. Ah, that was very lucky. Okay. Now I have to play careful. Both of them were looking for me. Okay, the Leo took a location very far away. And he's dead anyway. Our medium out there is killing him. And I'm on the safe side here, but where is T95? If he shows up here, I'm gonna be dead. There he was. Okay, great. And they are pushing forward a little bit. Not all the way. Oh. Okay, I had no time to aim there. Now I have to be gone from this one. I could no. Well. And he's just staying there, getting shot. So I'm engaging the T95. Someone just shot at IS-8. Who was that? The Leo still? Yeah, I guess. He didn't die after all. yet. Ooh. And I'm in Leo's shooting range right now. Not sure where he is out there. Okay, he's relocating again. Some play this tank very aggressive, but I really think you need the perfect setup to play it aggressive. Otherwise, it's a great second line tank. Played like a second line heavy, like I did here, staying safe in the back. Oh crap! Well, we won because of the team again. Well, let me just write to him. Ah, stupid bug. This is a very annoying bug when the battle is starting again. Against 2 Molotov cocktails in mediums. This could be dangerous. And they have 1 more medium. We only have a Leo. Okay. Oh, we do have an OBJ. I didn't see him. So let's see. I want to stay close to the edge here. I only want them coming from one side. Oh no, and our mediums are just YOLOing. They know it's 2 against 3 and they just push. Stupid. See, that shot, that's what I'm talking about. Since the gun got buffed in an earlier update, it has improved the accuracy, but it's still not great. I guess it is a TD, so it's okay. But it definitely is better and I like it very much. Okay. We got a pretty good defense here. But they are pushing left side now. If I just could get one shot in on Leo. No. Oh, another misfire. I push here and it fires. It is so stupid. Okay. They push left, so I push right to see if I can finish something up here. What have we got down there? We got the... No, he's not coming. So I can scare him a little bit. Perfect. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. 2 down here, and the Molotov cocktail is down here. So I'm just keeping him away. Perfect. He's going the other way. So I can clip him here, unless he's playing defense. And why would he play defense when he's alone? He's alone, so it's just about doing some damage for him. Nothing else. Yeah. Again, how can it... I leave sniper mode, so I am hitting this button and still I'm shooting. Okay, I think I need a break. So thank you for watching this disaster, and next time I hope to make a better play. Well, bye.